Yeah, hi, my name is Mithun. I'm from Mulund. I had heard about Orchis seat covers. So I got my seat covers done for my Honda Jazz 2016. And I'm very happy with the work. The finishing is excellent. And they are also giving me 3 years warranty on color, fade, stitch, etc. So I'm satisfied with the work. Thank you.